Let me show you how to copy and paste filters in Shotcut. Come over to your playlist and bring down an image clip or a video clip. I'm going to be using image clips. I'm going to use 2 for now. Now the first one, let's make the changes here. Let's remove these black bars by going to filters, hitting the plus button, going to size, position, rotate, and the zoom bar shows 100%. We want it at 120%. Also, let's add a vignette filter just to give it something different. And now let's try a zoom. Go to size, position, rotate here on the top where the filters are. Let's scoot this over a little bit and hit this keyframe icon to open up the keyframe track. And let's move the playhead for about 3 seconds, and then we zoom in just a bit. So now that when we play it back, this is what it looks like. And the second clip, it has no filters, of course, doesn't do anything. So the way to copy and paste is you select the first clip, go to the copy button up here, and then go to the second clip, and then go to the paste button here, and you got all the filters now on the second clip that you do on the first. Now let me get rid of this. Let's try something else. We're gonna try to paste the filters into 2 clips at the same time. Remember, these don't have any filters. The first one does. Let's go to filters, go to the copy button, copy it, and then go to the second clip, hold shift on your keyboard and click on the third clip, and now you have the last 2 selected. Now notice there's no paste button up here. It doesn't let you do that, but good thing you can right click on any of these selected clips and then hit apply copied filters. Let me hover over this. Now right click, apply copied filters, and there you go. That's way faster. You don't need to use the paste button up there. Now if you want to if you want to copy the filter set, go to the first clip, go up to this button right here that looks like 3 coins stacked on top of each other. Save a filter set. Then you can name it something like, I don't know, AAA, 4 A's, just so it can be on the top of the list. It's in alphabetical order. Click OK. Now let me get rid of these 2 clips that already have filters in them, and let me bring down some more. Let's bring down these 3 that don't have any filters in them, and go to the first one, go to filters. You have to go to the plus button here and then go to the last tab, sets, and then I see my clip there. Now you could do it one time easily. You can click on this one and then you go to the sets, and if you hit the quadruple A, it's gonna transfer the filters, of course. But if you try to do it with all 3 at the same time, it doesn't give you that option. But also you can right click and apply copied filters, and that'll get you what you want way faster. Now they all have the filters, the zoom, the vignette, and the black bars are gone. So that's an easy way to copy and paste filters. Now let's open up another video track by going to holding down Ctrl and hitting the I on your keyboard. Let's bring down some text, because with text it's a little bit different. Hit text, rich, open, drag and drop, and let me resize this a bit. Let's change the text to Christmas Island. Let's change the text color to yellow, text size to 55, and the font to old newspaper types. Now, forget about copying this up here. Do not use that when you're going to copy and paste text filters. The best way is to just right click on the first text filter, copy, place your playhead where you want your text filter to show up, and then hit Ctrl V on your keyboard. Ctrl V. And that'll give it to you just the way the first one is. The second one's going to have the same thing. And here, of course, you can just change the text to pyramids or whatever you want. If you want another one, Control V. Change the text to Italy, and so on. You can do this forever. So now you know how to copy and paste the easy way. No confusion. That way you can finish your jobs way faster. Thanks for watching.